When you tow or haul, your rear leaf springs begin to flatten way before reaching max payload, impacting ride, control, and stability. RoadActive Suspension is a simple tension coil spring system that works with your factory leaf springs. The front of your factory leaf spring is fixed to the frame, while the rear is designed to move as the suspension flexes. RoadActive Suspension mounts there, working naturally with the suspension. As weight or force is added, our progressive tension coil spring automatically engages, helping to better support the load by maintaining the proper arch in the leaf spring. The heavier the load or sharper the curve, the more the system works, automatically adding support only when needed, up to 50% more rear suspension strength. Unlike airbags, there's no air pressure to manage, no compressors, and nothing to leak. When you're unloaded, the system provides same as or better than factory ride, with improved handling and stability. The result is less squat, reduced sway, and better control. Proudly made in North Carolina and trusted since 1998, RoadActive Suspension delivers a smarter, hassle-free mechanical solution to load support.